Hey, welcome back to Danish Tube. This is Random Phrases number 3, and in this one we're going to look at a bunch of phrases all using the verb at komme. Here we go. Danish Tube. The first one is at komme til. This is how you say to accidentally do something. For example, jeg kom til at sige noget dumt. Jeg kom til at sige noget dumt. Det gør jeg tit. I do that often. Maybe you spill some water on your computer, or somebody else does it. Han kom til at spille vand på min computer. Could also be that dine bukser kom til at falde ned, or mine bukser kom til at falde ned. The next one is at komme frem til. Komme frem til. This is to reach, often to reach an agreement. For example, vi kunne ikke komme frem til en aftale. Vi kunne ikke komme frem til en aftale. It's not going so well today. The next one is at komme godt hjem. At komme godt hjem very simply means to arrive home safely. You might say it when somebody's leaving your house late at night, or just in general when someone needs to go home. You might say, kom godt hjem. Kom godt hjem. Number 4 is at komme an på. At komme an på means it depends on. What's important about this is you can't just say, it depends, like you do in English. You have to complete your sentence. For example, det kommer an på, hvad du har lyst til. Det kommer an på, hvad du har lyst til. Depends what you fancy, what you feel like doing. What else? Det kommer an på vejret. Det kommer an på vejret. Depends on the weather. Things often do. Next one, at komme af med. At komme af med. I like this one. It's like to get rid of, when you just need to get something away from you. Jeg skal komme af med denne sofa. Jeg skal virkelig komme af med denne sofa. I really need to get rid of this sofa. Next, at komme afsted. At komme afsted just means to leave. Skal vi se at komme afsted? Skal vi se at komme afsted? Shall we get going? The next one is at komme forbi. At komme forbi, simply to get past. Someone is in your way. You can be polite and ask, må jeg komme forbi? Or, må jeg ikke lige komme forbi? Må jeg ikke lige komme forbi? A few more left. At komme med. At komme med. It means to come with, as in to go along with somebody, to join them on their journey. Jeg kommer med. Jeg kommer med. I'm coming with you. Næste. At komme til skade. At komme til skade. This means to get hurt. Ouchie. Pas på, du ikke kommer til skade. Pas på, du ikke kommer til skade. Næste. At komme tilbage. At komme tilbage. You might say, hun kommer aldrig tilbage. She's never coming back. Hun kommer aldrig tilbage. 2 left. The next one is at komme til tiden. At komme til tiden means to arrive on time. This is one for you Argentines. You should use it and try to do it also. I might say, hun kommer aldrig til tiden. Hun kommer, eller han kommer aldrig til tiden. So the opposite of arriving on time would be at komme for sent. At komme for sent, literally like saying to come too late. Jeg kommer aldrig for sent. Jeg kommer aldrig for sent. So then, that was a whole bunch of phrases using at komme. Hope you found them useful. Vi ses i den næste video. Hej hej. Danish Tube.